It's the secret to a vibrant and colorful yard with half the work. Sign me up for that. Welcome back to Studio 5, everybody. Jerry Goodspeed with USU Botanical Gardens says pretty perennials are the perfect maintenance plants that your landscape may be missing. I called you Jerry Bear during the commercial break. Is that unprofessional if I just say
no,
hey?
That's what all my neighbors call me,
oh,
actually.
Good.
So that worked out well. You're there, man.
Okay, you say perennials really are the way to go if you want this blooming paradise that thrives year after year.
Yes, for the most part, yeah. There are so many perennials, too. There's thousands of them. And the cool thing is, we're going to talk about some that are water-wise. In other words, they look beautiful. Sometimes when we think water-wise, we think cactus, but no, we have beautiful perennials.
You can still have color.
Oh, yeah.
You can still have beauty.
Oh, yeah.
And be a wise...
Yeah.
Wise
steward of water.
Of Mother Nature and all she gives us or doesn't. Okay, when I hear waterside perennials, I picture grass, but you say there are some beautiful waterside plants that can give color too? Yeah,
and that's what we're going to talk about, is how cool these water-wise plants are and how they look beautiful. Yeah. And some of them throughout the whole summer.
Nice. All right, the Colorado Desert Blue Star, major list.
Okay, so these are the 10 that I want, but that's the little one, and I have to almost apologize.
He's a baby guy.
He is. He's not in bloom yet, but it's this beautiful blue stars that come out, and it just looks so cool. Very drought tolerant, too. All right, the orange carpet Hummingbird Trumpet. Yes. That's a great name. It is, and it's a great plant. It'll bloom in the fall. Well, it blooms starting blooming about the end of July. Okay. And so a lot of our perennials are blooming right now, but this one blooms late summer. Okay. Which is really good, and it's orange. All right, the little raspberry Bitteroot. Look at that. She's lovely. Is that not beautiful? Yeah, that is really pretty. Yeah, that's one that might need a little more water than the rest of them, but still, it's worth it. That's a beautiful one. This one looks like my hair on a Tuesday morning. I'm feeling it. This is actually a native. Oh, okay. This is a Tushar Beardtongue or a penstemon, and it's only found in Utah. Oh. But we can now put it into our landscapes, and it's just kind of a ground covery type of a plant. So it stays low? It kind of moves out. It kind of looks like this. Like so. Like so. Okay, a lot of purpley tones today. This is really pretty. Yeah, this one is called Catmint. Okay. And it is in the mint family, so it does have that aroma. We plant it in places where we never water it. And it blooms, and it'll get about 2 to 3, more of the 2 feet tall, a round mound, and just beautiful blue flowers. So this can be in your drier patch or your drier section. One you can just about plant and forget. Neglect. Sorry. Neglect. Sorry, we love you, but we don't need to give you as much attention we
as
don't
some
love
of
you
your
that much.
Friends.
No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, this is a pretty kind of shock of green.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
That's a Veronica, and I like it because of the foliage now. You can see the purple flowers, but look at that beautiful foliage, and that just adds color to your landscape, even when it's not in bloom. Same thing with this next one. Tall and dramatic. That's called Blackbeard Beardtongue. That's another penstemon, but you know, I like it because it's got color on the foliage throughout the year, and when it is in bloom, those are very attractive. All right, tell us about Mango Tango. Okay, first off, isn't that a cool name for a plant? Do you ever just sit around and think, if I were given the chance? The names are so creative. I do actually. You want to shake the hand of whoever called it the Mango Tango. So you nailed it. They were probably laughing in a room thinking, is this really going to fly? What if we did this? Oh, yeah, and it stuck. Here we are. So Mango Tango, it's Agastaki or a Hyssop, and the flowers are mango color. Okay. And they're just prolific. And it's another one that'll bloom later in the season, which I really like. Yeah. It's fun. Now you said, you know, we think of water-wise, we think of cactus, and our mind goes to prickly, kind of stale and sterile. This, to me, tells a whole different story because there is color and there is softer texture. Yeah, there are ice plants, and this is an ice plant. An ice plant. Yeah, and it also is one that is very drought tolerant. It has those soft leaves. Yeah, touchable. You can even lay on it if you wanted to. Have you tried that? No. Done a little back and forth roll? Okay. And last but not least? Another one that has that very succulent look. Cute. This is a sedum, and look how pretty that foliage is. Yes. It will bloom, but it's mostly known for that beautiful foliage. Okay, as far as care, I mean, we've touched on kind of the water component. Anything else we need to know about perennials in terms of where to plant or how tightly to compact them? I like to plant them close so that they outcompete weeds. Okay. So that when they're really close, then it takes care of the weeds. Yeah. I also like to make sure that if they're all dry plants, we plant them together, and then if we have wetter plants, we plant them. So likes with likes. Yeah, likes with likes. Yeah. those are the big things.
Okay.
And just enjoy and just love the plants.
But they'll serve us, and they feel a little, these at least feel less maintenance
Yeah, they do.
dependent than some others. So, Jerry, thank
That's
you
what
so
I like
much.
about
Yes, me too. Me too. And that's why we like you. Great advice you'll be sharing with us, I know, all season. Where can we get more from you online?
At Utah State University Botanical Center.
If the weather would just switch.
Well, it will.
It will. We know that.
It'll be 90, and then
Yeah.
it'll be back.
Yeah. Well, keep us on track. We appreciate your advice.
Thank you.
You've got fun classes and other
We
things.
do. Go on to our website and look at all of our nice classes.
I love how you inspire and educate us. We appreciate it, Jerry. Thank you so much.